Hey there, welcome to Newsstream TV, happenings across the globe at your fingertip. Do well to like this video by giving it a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
Breaking: Court freezes assets account of Nduka Obaigbena, Generals Hydrocarbons Limited in all Nigerian commercial banks. Announced to the News Info. A federal high court in Lagos State has granted an ex parte order effectively freezing Generals Hydrocarbons Limited's assets and accounts with all commercial banks in Nigeria. This decision comes as a result of a lawsuit filed by First Bank of Nigeria Limited and FBNQuest Trustees Limited, which accused General Hydrocarbons Limited of owing them a staggering 225 million naira. No, it's not naira, it's dollar. $225.8 million in outstanding debt from loan facilities granted as of September 30, 2024. September 30, 2024, the court orders restricts all commercial banks from releasing or dealing with any assets or monies belonging to General Hydrocarbons Limited, its agents, subsidiaries or sister companies up to the amounts claimed by the plaintiff, 225.8 billion. Now, wow. This move is likely intended to prevent General Hydrocarbons Limited from dissipating its assets or transferring funds out of the country while the lawsuit is pending. It is worth noting that, according to the Banks and Other Financial Institutions Act (BOFIA), the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) also has the power to apply for a court order to freeze bank accounts suspected of being involved in illegal transactions. However, in this specific case, the court order was granted in response to a lawsuit filed by private entities rather than the CBN. In the enrolled order obtained by Sahara reporters on Thursday, signed by the Registrar of the Court Orakwe Nonye-Osi, the order ex parte was issued by Justice D.I. Dipeolu on December 30, 2024, in a suit numbered FAC/L/CS/2378/2024. Apart from General Hydrocarbons Limited, which is the first defendant, other defendants in the suit are listed as Nduka Obaigbena, Damilola Obaigbena, Olabisi Eka Obaigbena, all his family members, GHL 121 Limited, Imontel Nigeria Limited, Khalidin Global Resources Limited, CESL Oyo Production BBC Limited, owner of FPSO Tamara Tokoni, CESL Oyo Production O&M Limited, Vital SA, Mercuria Energy Trading SA, Trafigura Pte Limited, Glencore Energy UK Limited, Schlumberger Nigeria Limited, Schlumberger Overseas SA, and Baker Hughes Oilfield Services as the second to 16 defendants, respectively. In the suit filed by First Bank of Nigeria Limited and FBNQuest Trustees Limited before the court through their counsel, Victor Ogude San, on December 27 and heard on December 30, the court directed the 8 to 13 defendants to file and serve on the plaintiff's applicant a statement disclosing the quantum of products lifted from the 8 defendants or OML 120 since the commencement of production in OML 120. The court also granted an order of interim injunction restraining Nduka Obaigbena, Damilola Obaigbena, and Olabisi Eka Obaigbena, who are the second to 4 defendants, being directors of General Hydrocarbons Limited, first defendant, whether by themselves, agents, servants, proxies, allies, from transferring and or dissipating any interest in their assets wherever located in Nigeria, movable or immovable, pending the determination of the motion on notice for interlocutory injunction. Well, they are owing money, so the court has the right to do that. It partly with an order of Mareva injunction restraining all the commercial banks in Nigeria to wit: Guarantee Trust Bank Limited, Access Bank PLC, Citibank Nigeria Limited, Carbon Bank, Ecobank Nigeria PLC, Fidelity Bank PLC, First Bank of Nigeria Limited, First City Monument Bank, Flutterwave, Globus Bank, Heritage Bank, Jais Bank, Keystone Bank, Opay Digital Services Limited, PalmPay Limited, Paystack Payments Limited, Piggyverse, Momo Payments, Service Bank Limited, Polaris Bank, Providence Bank, Stanbic IBTC Nigeria Limited, Standard Chartered Bank, Sterling Bank, SunTrust, Union Bank, United Bank for Africa plc, Unity Bank, Wema Bank, Zenith Bank plc, and all other financial institutions operating in Nigeria from releasing or dealing in any manner whatsoever with any and all monies and or whatsoever assets due to the first defendant from any accounts maintained by the first defendant, their agents, private subsidiaries, and or sister company with any of the said banks wherever situate, up to the amount of the plaintiff applicant's total claims in the sum of $225,802,379.69. Wow, that's a whole lot of money to owe. So if they say all banks should freeze your account, probably they want to get their money back now, so they are definitely going to freeze your account. That is wahala now. Wow. Being the outstanding indebtedness on the first defendant's account with the first plaintiff applicant as of 30th September 2024 in respect of the loan facilities granted to the first defendant by the first plaintiff, pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice for interlocutory injunction. It is well. An order of interim injunction restraining the first, second, third, and fourth defendants, whether by themselves, members, shareholders, agents, servants, proxies, allies, from transferring or dissipating, diminishing, or dealing with any interest in the first defendant's assets, including but not limited to cruise stock, insurance policies, and all forms of stock of shares, all forms of receivables and contracts which have been pledged as securities for the loan facilities granted by the first plaintiff to first defendant, pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice for interlocutory injunction, the court ordered, among others. Yes, now, if you are owing money and you cannot pay back, they are going to freeze your account, collect all your assets, because you must have signed that okay, if I'm unable to pay back by so time, this is what and what you should do. So obviously that is what is going on. So they have stopped all banks from doing transactions in that account, in their accounts, because they are owing. That money is a lot. It's a lot of dollars. $228 million. That's a whole lot of money. So of course they are not going to transact. They are going to freeze their accounts, and everything that they have used as collateral, they are going to step on it. Yes, that is just it. It is real. Very Smart says the problem is some of you are too lazy to read. I see comments like they want to close Arise TV and this day. Where did they talk about Arise TV? The company took a loan from First Bank and refused to pay. So First Bank went to court to freeze all their accounts until they pay. Yes, that is what they did. They have to freeze their account until they pay the money. But if you freeze their account and they are unable to run their business, how will they now gather the money to pay? Now, wow, that's why to loan money to do business is really a big risk. It is well. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.